Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in our today's video, we will be learning how to create a bar race chart using the sheet features in Canva mobile app. For this, first you have to open the Canva app in your mobile. Then you have to click on the sheet options under getting started. Then you have to select blank design. After clicking on the blank design, you have to wait for a few seconds. A new workbook will appear in your mobile screen just like this. Okay. So first you have to click on the actions button in the bottom left hand corner of the app. You can see here actions is written. Just click on it. Click on magic charts. Then click on chart library. Scroll down a bit. Scroll down under the bar race charts. Select bar race. After clicking on the bar race chart, a bar race chart will appear in your blank workbook like here it is showing. So basically there are two tabs. One is the data tab and other is the customize tab, you can see below. So first we will discuss the data tab. So in the data tab you will get the data about which the graph is displayed. Okay, so by default here some data is given, a data example is given. For example, the first column is the country, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on columns are the year wise population. Okay, year wise population of China, India, Germany, France, United States, United Kingdom, Japan, Indonesia, Brazil, Nigeria, Pakistan and Mexico. These are the year wise population. Okay, from 1978 up to 2017 data population is given here. Okay, if you want to insert your own data, you can just delete this data and fill up this table, or you can also import data if you have prepared it in any other Excel workbook software like Microsoft Excel or Office 365. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see this import data option. By clicking on this, you can import your own data. Okay, so next is the transpose option, the two small arrows, the horizontal and the vertical arrow joined together, you can see to the right of the import data option. If you click on this, your data which are represented as columns, it will get converted into rows, and the data which is represented in rows will get converted into columns. Okay, and to the right of the transpose option is the delete option. You can see a small dustbin. If you click on this, all the data in this table will get deleted at once. Next comes the chart setup. First is the labels, which is the y axis. So in the y axis we want to show the country wise. Okay, so if you click on the drop down list, see, you can see many options are there. You can select the year also, year wise population also, but country I will select. Okay, because I want to see the country wise population changing year wise. Okay, next comes the time period, what values to show. So for the time period data, we will choose the year wise population data. Okay, we have to select all the years at once. Okay, like from 1978 up to 2017. See, all the datas are selected. Next comes color by. So we can select color options. So by default nothing is given here, chosen here, so we'll keep it like this only. Next comes the aggregate data. By default none is chosen. If you click on the drop down list, you can see many options are there. You can do sum of the data, average of the data, you can count the number of data, you can do minimum, maximum and median. Basic statistical calculations you can perform. Okay, next comes the customize tab. If you click on the customize tab, first comes the text option. So text option, first option is the axis labels. The y axis and the x axis you have to provide labels, means the names. What does x axis and y axis represents? So first you have to turn it on. Then comes the title option. You can add a title. If I add a title like population year wise. See, if I write on this, see, a title appeared on our chart, population year wise. You can also add a subtitle. Under the title it will come in the chart. You can add a source text or any link, any document here also. Okay, for example, if you have taken in data from any internet source or web source or any other data source, you can name the data source text here, or you can link the data file here. Okay, next comes the x-axis. Just click on the down arrow. You can give an x-axis title. So what is our x-axis title? Is population. Population, we have written population. See, population has come in our x-axis, underneath the population year wise, underneath our title. Now y-axis. So y-axis title is basically country. See, country comes as appeared in the y-axis title. Next comes the settings option. Under the settings options, grid lines, you have to turn it on. Maximum visible bars 10. So this you can increase or decrease also, this option, maximum visible bars. See, 10 bars are displayed here, 10 countries are displayed. So if I minimize it, only 9 countries will be displayed. See, if I minimize it, only 6 bars, only 6 countries. If I increase it, 7 means 7 countries, 8 means 8 countries will be displayed, 9 means 9, and 10 is the maximum, so 10. After that, nothing will change. Okay, 14, 15, nothing will change because our 10 countries is our maximum. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 12 is our maximum. So after 12, nothing will change. See, after 12, nothing changes. 13, 14, nothing changes because no countries are there. 12 is the maximum. Chart playback speed. Okay, now there comes a catch. But see, if I keep press the play button on the chart, see what happens. See, year wise, our population is displayed in real time. It is changing in real time like a video. 2017 it will stop. So this is the playback speed. So if I want to keep it slow, just move the slider to the left. If you want to increase the speed, move the slider to the right. Okay, I will keep it as default, one only. One is the default value. Okay, loop playback forever. If you select this option, the video will start playing in a loop. Okay, so don't keep it on, keep it off. Okay, by default it is kept off. Next comes the filters option. If you click on add, see, now what filters does is, if you want to filter your data or if you want to see only some specific country wise data, you have to add a filter to your data. Okay, filters does is, it displays data according to your wish, according to the filters you provide. So select data on the basis of which you want to filter. Column headers, no, on the basis of country I want to filter my data. Style, there are two styles of filters, buttons and range slider. Buttons is the best for this type of data. And next comes allow multiple selections. You have to turn it on. Interactive color, I will give red. Okay, so see, now I will show you what filters does is. See, beneath the population year wise title of the chart, you are seeing the country names are there. It is the filter. Okay, see, now all the countries data is displayed. If I want to see only India's data, see, only India's data is displayed. Now if you play the, see, from 1978 to 2017, only India's data which is changing is displayed, only India. Now if I click on Germany, see, India and Germany are displayed. If I click on France, India, Germany, France are displayed. Now if you want to unselect India, if you want to not show India, then again click on India. India will be removed. United States, United Kingdom, if you again press on the play button, the data will be displayed like a video from 1978 to 2017. How the population is changing, it is displaying. Okay, basically. So this is all about the customized tab. See, if you want to remove this filter, just scroll down. At the end you will find add filter. Click on add filters, remove filters. Okay, filter will be removed. Filter will be removed. Okay, so now we will discuss the color options. First is the white color, which is the background of the color of the chart. So I will recommend you keep it white only because white is visible. Next comes the color of the bars. If you click on it, you can select more colors. Many color options are there. You can, at the extreme left, you can see a gradient option is also there. You can select color from this also. Next comes the spacing option. If you click on this, if you increase the slider or move the slider to the right, the spacing of the chart increases. To the left, if you move the slider, the spacing of the chart decreases. And the row spacing is the spacing between the bars, okay, between individual bars. If you move the slider to the right, the row spacing increases, the bar spacing increases. If you move the slider to the left, the bar spacing decreases. So this is all about the spacing tab. Then the roundness of the bars. If you move the slider to the right, the roundness increases. To the left, roundness decreases. Then font, text styles, font size, color, format are all the format options. Text formatting options I discussed in my first video of the Canva chart options, chart feature video. Just go and watch those video, part 1, part 2 and all. Then comes the transparency option. Layers of transparency is the transparency of the chart. Now it is 100%, it is not transparent. If I move the slider to the left, see, chart becomes transparent. Next comes the layers option. It is not of use in the Excel software, workbook software, sorry. Then comes the position option. It is also of no use in Word or in document formatting options. These are important, the position and the layers. Then comes the nudge option. If you click on the nudge option, it will allow you to move your chart in the workbook in different directions. Last option is the more option, the three dots option. If you click on it, you can see various options are there. You can copy paste the chart, you can make a duplicate chart, you can delete the entire chart in one go, you can make a comment to the chart, you can lock the entire chart or lock the position and appearance of the chart, you can link any external source text or document to the chart like I have told you before, you can add an alternative text to your chart, you can download selected portions of the chart, and you can also translate the text in the chart which are displayed in the chart. Okay, now I will show you how to download this entire work. For this, you can see a small up arrow in the top right corner of the mobile app. Just click on it, then click on download. See, now there are many file types. Just click on the drop down menu. You can see JPG PNG, means the workbook will be downloaded as a image file. So it is not of such use. If you want to still edit your data after being downloaded, you have to select either CSV or XLSX format. This is the Excel workbook format, Microsoft Excel workbook format. So if you download in this format, you can open it in Microsoft Excel software also. Okay, then comes the PDF standard and PDF print option. So this will make your workbook download in PDF format. This also you cannot edit after you download. SVG is also a picture format. So this option will also not allow you to edit your data after you download the workbook. So best option is to select CSV or XLSX. Okay. So after selecting the options, just click on download. It will take a few moments to download based on your internet speed. See, download complete, a green tick mark is displayed. If you click on open, your workbook will open. If you download it as a PDF or JPG format, it will get opened in Photos app, and a PDF, then PDF software you will need to open it. And if you download in XLSX or CSV format, you have to make sure you have installed any Office software in your mobile to open this workbook or Canva app. Okay, so this is all for this video. So I hope you all have understood what I have taught today. So see you all in my next video. Till then, Take care. Goodbye.